Hi, hello my people. Welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, this video is very important if you have Shopify store and if you want to optimize your product and you want to rank in Google. I'm gonna teach you the free way to optimize your product. You don't need to install any paid app or you don't need to pay for any AI paid tools. So step by step, we are going to go through step by step. So I'm gonna teach you how to optimize your product for SEO. This is very important, and this really help in SEO to rank in Google. So a lot of people teach different ways, and some of them teach you need to purchase paid tools in order if you want to rank in Google. But in this video my aim is to teach you free and the real and free way to optimize your product in Shopify without install any paid app or any paid AI tool. Okay, so before we start this video, I request please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel so I bring more nice Shopify videos for you. You can watch my Shopify playlist if you are looking for other video related to Shopify. You can watch my other video in playlist. So we are going to start this video from you can see this is my Shopify store, and I have some products here. So we are going to let me click any product here. Let me open any product. For example, this one. I have opened my product in Shopify, and we will optimize this product. Okay, so stay with me. I'm going to teach you step by step every single uh, real way to optimize your Shopify products. Okay, we are going to start from here in the title. For here, we have a title for iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Uh, this is Cosmo full body glitter marble bumper case. Okay, we have a long title here which we really don't need it. Okay, this is not a way we are going to optimize it. This is default title when I import my product in my Shopify. So how I am going to pick some nice keyword, SEO keyword for my title as well as in my description. Okay, so how I do this? Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use one tool which is free AI tool. You can use that tool as well. You don't need to pay anything for that. You need to watch this complete video how I optimize my product, the way what you need to write in the software, how to pull out the nice SEO title. Okay, let me go to this free tool from Google, which is called Bard. Okay, let me go to Bard dashboard. You can search BARD Bard Google. This is new AI tool which will really help you. Okay, so let me open my chart here. Okay, let me click on open my new chart. Okay, click on new chart. Okay, here I'm going to write I need help with my Shopify store. I need help for my Shopify store. Where I sell iPhone cases. Okay, I have given this command to Bird. Okay, so this is the starting. So Bird will remember what actual we are looking for. Okay, okay. So here it is. So you have any description here, anything, don't worry about it. Okay, this is just a starting. The main thing here, let me open my here. You have to read the title. The title is about Cosmo full body. Let me copy from the Cosmo full body glitter marble bumper case with built-in screen recorder. Let me copy this one. Let me go to bird again. So here I am going to give a command to bird to pull out nice title for me. For that I will write here, I'm going to write here, I need title for my Shopify product. Let me give one space and dash. Okay, I'm going to paste that I just copy. This is Cosmo full body glitter, and this is just I copy. So bird has idea, and the bird will pull out nice keywords for your title, and it will make it nice way. Okay, in the starting I have right here, I need title, product title. I need product title for my Shopify store, and you have to give space, and you have to provide you are asking about what, the main keyword. I'm asking about glitter marble bumper case. Okay, let me give main keyword with built-in okay, you have to click here submit. Okay, I have successfully click on submit. Let's check the results, and I will explain you further how to pull out later on. Okay, so here are beautiful title we receive. Here are some product title for your Shopify store for glitter marble bumper case with built-in screen. Okay, and you can see here beautiful titles we got here. Okay, pick anyone, any. Let me pick randomly this title. Let me copy this. Let me go back to my Shopify. I'm going to paste that one. Okay, perfect. We got our title with keywords. Everything is there. Let me save my product. And the next thing is I'm I need description as well with keyword that will help us uh, for to rank in Google, right? So next thing is in the same way, I'm not going to write anything. I just write here, I need product description as well. Okay, I have given command to bird, I need product description as well. Let me click submit, and it will pull out nice description for us. Okay, you can see here we have a nice description with keywords, and it also it automatic pick nice keywords for you, and all the keyword will be added within the description, which we really need in for SEO rank. Okay, and now the thing is I have to copy this description here. Okay, up to here. Okay, let me copy this. Let me open my Shopify product description, and I have to paste this somewhere under the features, somewhere here. Let me paste this. Okay, I have successfully pasted this. Okay, you can also keep a rest description. That's okay, that's no problem. The main thing here, our what we are going to provide in description, the keywords, and Google already provide us keyword. You can see here iPhone, glitter marble bumper case, the keyword, built-in screen protector, TPU material, protect your phone from scratches, everything within this description. Okay, now let's scroll down here to the search engine listing. One more thing I need to do here. Let me click on edit, and you can see the link is the very big link, and we don't need it. We only need a small link, which SEO optimized link in the meta description here. Meta description. Okay, let me go back to bird and let me pick first paragraph. Make sure within 160 character. You can count, search for word count. Just pick any beautiful description for your meta description for SEO. Okay, just pick you can count your words up to 160. Make sure just keep the little description up to 160 correct. Let me pick this one. Okay, let me go back to the meta description. Let me delete old one. Okay, I have provided the new one. The thing is here, you can also see 300 302. I have used character, but I need to use up to 160 in order to optimize it. I have to delete rest. Okay, 205. Okay, I need only 160. Okay, okay, and the URL handle. Let me, or you can also get the help of Bird to get the URL, or you can do one thing here. Go back to your page title or your title, main title, which we already pull out with help of Bird. I just copy the main keyword. Okay, that's enough. Up to 30 characters. Okay, half of that pick up to here. Bumper iPhone case with built-in screen protector, up to protector, pick that one, because it's already optimized. The title is already optimized. Let me go back to the title. Okay, I pick this title. Okay, up to here. Okay, just half of it, and put in the URL handle. Just delete old one and provide. Okay, perfect. And you have to click this, create a URL redirected to here. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, let me save it. Okay, it may take some time. And next we have tags. Okay, here tag section. We also get some tags pulled out from the help of Google Bird. Okay, let me scroll down and let me give command. I need also product tags. I need also product tags. Let me submit it. It will pull out all the tags we need. You have to pick what one by one tag and submit in the tags. As you can see, this tool is really helpful, and this is free of cost. You are not going to pay anything here. Okay, so wait for the result. Once we got our tags, then that will be easy for us. Okay, you can see we have nice tags here. Okay, what you can do here, pick one by one, copy it. Okay, copy, go back to tags, paste one by one. Okay, go back, copy next. Okay, all these are tags Google Bird pull out from the Google algorithm, Google results. So all these are already optimized tags. You really need it, and you can see it really related to our product. Okay, one by one, paste in the tag section and save your product. Okay, another pro tip I'm going to give you here for Shopify products. In the images, also provide alt tags. Okay, click on the images in Shopify product page and also provide add alt tags. Okay, that will really helpful. As you can see, we have optimized title, description, we have keywords in the description as well, and we have optimized the URL here. Everything looks good. So in next video I'm going to bring another Shopify tutorial to create